Good morning. What a gorgeous day it is. And it's got the making of a gorgeous day anyhow. It's a bank holiday, Sunday, and I'm off. So, our plan for today is I'm going to head over on top of Kinder. I'll probably go up via Ringing Roger and see what the South Rim's like. I reckon it's probably going to be a little bit too busy today because it is a bank holiday. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably just head right across over the top onto the North Rim because it's going to be a lot quieter over there. I need to be back by around about 6 o'clock tonight because I've got an early start in the morning. So better go and get the train. Alright, so catch you in a bit. So we're currently walking up the Nab, heading up to the top of Ringing Roger, and then from there we're going to walk along the South Rim a little bit. Where is it? Over there. And then we're going to go right over the top to the north side where it should be a lot quieter over there. Most people hang around here on the South Rim. We're going for the North Rim today. So, whew, let's crack on. Well, we made it to the top of Kinder. The South Rim, as I thought it would be, is a bit busy with people, so I've already started heading across the plateau now over to the North Rim, and this is the sort of terrain that you have to go through. All this peat. At the moment it's not too bad, but if you're heading over across the plateau after a heavy downpour, then you're going to have to stick some gaiters on your boots, otherwise you're just going to get some muddy pants. Alright, so we're going to carry on. And I'll probably catch you over at the North Rim. See you later. Okay, this is what it's like halfway across. Not a lot to see, but what is nice, no people, no place to myself on a bank holiday weekend. Right, let's go. Okay, welcome to the North Rim. Looking down there onto the, where is it? Down there is the Snake Pass. A lot quieter. I think there's only me I can see over here at the moment. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think we're going to head down onto that. So I'll see you there in a moment. So I've been exploring the north side of Kinder for probably about an hour and a half now, so it's about time I started heading back. I'm going to head back over the way I've came. I'm going to head back down via Ringy Roger again, down into Edale and get the train back. I think there's one in about an hour. Should get there in plenty of time. So until the next time, see you again. See you later. So we've just arrived down on the South Rim. I just wanted to show you this before I head down. What do you reckon? Does that look like a turtle or what? There's his head. He's got a little smile on him. That's his fin or flipper. And there's his back. He's like a humpback turtle. Yep, every time I come up this way I always have a little look at him. And also at the back, I don't know if you can tell, what does that look like? Looks like a bit like a frog to me. So there you go. Frog Rock and Turtle Rock. So this is on the path that heads back down to Edale. Okay, that is it now. So see you later.